What's up, family? Guess what I got? Some fresh, cut, clean collard greens and some smoked turkey meat. Now I'm gonna try my hand at frying these up today. I've never done it before, but you know your girl gonna hook it up. Let's get it cracking. All right, fam. Now first we need to prep the collard greens. This is the easiest step. Collard greens can be kind of tough, so since we're frying these, we want to cut these into very small slices. So next we need to clean them. Collard greens can trap a lot of dirt. So unless you are buying these pre-cut and pre-cleaned, we need to dedicate a fair amount of time to washing them. Now I use a little white vinegar and baking soda. This not only helps to clean them, it helps remove some of those pesticides. Now you can use your hand to agitate the greens, and I usually let them soak for about 30 minutes, then I rinse and remove them from the dirty water. Now, you can see how this water is dark green. Some of that is due to the color of the greens, but there's a lot of dirt in there. So I like to put them back in a little cool water to remove any remaining dirt and rinse them again. Now can you see the difference in the color of this water? Yeah, all of that was dirt. This recipe calls for 1 yellow onion, so you can cut it up however you like, doesn't matter how, but I like my slices kind of large, but do you, boo. I have a smoked turkey leg and I boiled it for about a half an hour so I could easily remove the skin and cut the meat into small pieces. Grease is nice and hot. I hit it with a little water. Make sure the temp was right. Again, I had this on like medium high. I'm not gonna add all of it just yet. Got my onions. Just gonna saute this for about a minute before I add the greens in. Just to get these a little translucent and get that flavor. Okay, I'm starting to smell those onions. I'm going to add in a little minced garlic. No, I didn't just cut it and mince it up. I'm not above using what's in the jar, okay? Alright, that's about how I want it, so I'm going to start adding my greens here. Stir this in bunches. Stir it in bunches. The sweat is just about halfway cooked down at this point, so I'm going to go ahead and add my Better Than Bullion base. This is chicken. It's chicken. It's going to give these greens another added burst of flavor. So here we go. We don't need much because this stuff is powerful, okay? Just gonna stir that in. I'm going to add a little seasoning at this point. We are on the home stretch. As you can see, all of the water has been cooked out. So we are strictly frying these at this point. Alright, now I'm going to finish this with just a little salt. Just a little bit. Bring all the flavors together. Hey! Guys, I'm really surprised. I really am. They're not soft like when you boil them, but they are really tender. They're really tender and they're really flavorful. So this will definitely be on the menu in my future barbecues and dinners. You know what I'm saying? So guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you next time. Peace.